Hey guys, Neal Fitness, about to take you through a 10-minute cardio kickboxing workout. This workout is definitely going to be more geared towards beginner or intermediates, but even an advanced athlete could probably get a good sweat in this. No equipment is necessary. You're going to need a little bit of space on this one too. Just make sure that nobody's in your area. You don't want to punch or accidentally kick somebody. With that being said, let's go get it. Alright guys, ready? Let's do some kickboxing. Ready? Alright, all we're going to start to do is go punching and jogging at the same time. Right? Coming straight down the middle. Right? Always coming back to the chin. Right? So we're always coming back to our chin to a guarded position. There we go. Good. Warming up those shoulders, getting those legs going. Doing good. Awesome. Getting everything loosened. Nice. Coming back to your chin. Doing good. All right. Keeping everything nice and tight, right? We're not flaring those arms out. Keeping them nice and tight. There we go. Good. All right. So next, what we're going to do is we go up top. Everything in flared, right? Not flared out. Everything in, right? There we go. Good. Good job. And the shoulders going. All right. Back to straight punches. Good. There we go. All right, we're gonna open up the hips a little bit, all right? Air leg, like this, step, open up, right? There we go. Good. Doing good. Nice. All right, next one. Left foot forward, right foot back. We're gonna bounce back and forth, stay light on our feet. In and out. Good. Keep your hands up at your chin. Light on those toes. Light on those toes. Good. Good job. Alright, right foot forward. Left foot back. Nice and easy. There we go. Light on those toes. Light on those toes. Doing great. Doing great. Alright, right foot forward, left foot back, hands to the sky, bring your knee up and down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, right foot back, left foot forward. And 1, 2, push, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, left foot forward, right foot back. Just gonna throw a 1 or a jab. So left, back. 1. Coming back to the chin. On your own pace now, right? Snap it out there, bring it back. Good. Keep it in there. Nice job. Good. Keep snapping that hand. All right, right foot forward, left foot back. Snap that right. This is a jab off the right side now. Good. Coming back to the chin. Good. There you go. Nice. Good job. Keep it up. Good job. All right. Now we're going to go into some knees, right? So I just want you to take your knee up and lean back. Right? On the right side. Good. That's it right now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, other side. Right foot down, left foot up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keeping the right foot back. All right, we're going to go 1, 2 now. So it's a left and a right. Back to the chin. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, good. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Nice. Jab, cross. Good. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Okay, switch to the right foot. Left foot back. We're in southpaw. We're going to throw the right and the left. So it's a 1, 2 off this side now. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good job. 1, 2. Nice. 1, 2. Doing good. 1, 2. 1, 2. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Good. Jab, cross. Awesome. One more. Good job. Okay. All right. Now, I want to do a couple air squats, okay? Keep those legs firing up, right? And sit into it, butt down, and up. 1, maybe 10. 2, keep the knees behind your toes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, coming back up top, all right? So we're gonna go 1, 2 on each side, okay? So it's actually 1, 2, 1, 2. Left, right, got it? 1, 2, 1, 2, again. 1, 2, 1, 2, again. 1, 2, 1, 2, again. 1, 2, 1, 2. Jab, cross, jab, cross. Jab, cross, jab, cross. Jab, cross, jab, cross. Good. Jab, cross, jab, cross. One more time. Jab, cross, jab, cross. Okay. Right foot forward, left foot back. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Now this side. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Always going back to the chin. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. Okay. Left foot forward, right foot back. We're going to do a front. You can do a knee raise or a snap kick, right? So up, stay there. That'll be one. Going up, snap, back, right? Up, snap, back. Or just a knee. Up and back, right? 3, up and back. 4, up, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Left side. Right foot forward. And 1. Or you can do the snap. Everything under control. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. All right, back to jog and punch, right? Keep those arms going. Here we go. Go a little faster now. Good. Keep it going. Let's go. Doing good. Awesome job. And relax. Okay. Back to the hands over the head. Right leg, right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Left foot back, right foot knee. All right. Sorry. Left foot back, left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Good job. More air squats. Ready? Sit into it. 10 of them. Sit down and up. Good. Keep your balance. Everything under control. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, last combination. Ready? So we're going to throw 1, 2, right knee. Left, right knee. Left, right knee. Left, right. Good. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. Good job. 1, 2, knee. All right, good. 1, 2, knee. Okay. All right, right foot forward. All right. Right, left knee. Right, left knee. Right, left, back to chin, left knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. Good job. 1, 2, last one, knee. Okay, left foot forward, right foot back. Just want you to go back on the balls of your feet and rock back and forth. All right? There we go. Stay nice and loose here. Good job. back and forth. Okay, real smoothly, we're gonna try to switch into the right foot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, right foot forward. Good. Here we go. Last 20 seconds, doing great. Keep it up. Keep bouncing back and forth, light on your feet. Good job, last 10 seconds. Doing great, come on. Keep moving, keep those hands up. Right, if you get tired, we want to drop our hands, keep them up. Last couple seconds. And time, good job guys. All right, well that was a basic beginner style of cardio kickboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed it. As always, make sure you please subscribe, like, and share our videos. That's the way I can keep bringing this stuff to you guys. Guys, stay fit.